How to connect PS5 to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. Now this method isn't an official way, but it's something you can technically try to see if it works for you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead to your PS5 settings and you're gonna go into the network. Now in network, you're gonna go ahead and choose the settings option over here and then go to set up internet connection. Once you're there, you're gonna go to the networks found, or if you're already registered or connected to that Xfinity connection, you can go ahead and connect to that again. But as long as you are connected. So once that's done, at first, because now Wi-Fi requires a browser login, if a login prompts appear, something similar to this, you can just go ahead and put in your details and try connecting your Xfinity now manually. But if not, there's another thing you can go ahead and try. So you can go ahead to your PS5's browser. By doing so, you're gonna have to request someone, maybe a friend or maybe a different account, to send you some sort of link, or even you can probably just try sending yourself a message. Let's say you're gonna open up a bing.com browser, but any browser will do. Once you're in your browser, you can go ahead and open that up and just search for anything. And if you do, there should be some sort of Xfinity Now login page that will open up. What you're gonna do from then is to set the browser itself as a sidebar, and you're gonna go back to your Xfinity internet connection setup. You can go ahead and try disconnecting it again and try reconnecting. So if you have found your Xfinity Now, you can press on the get connected option and put in your details and try to see if your internet connection now works. So that said, Xfinity has likely patched or restricted Now Wi-Fi Pass access on consoles, so this method may not always work anymore, but it's still something you can try if you're nearby a strong hotspot signal, or something if you don't have internet. But hopefully this method does work for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.